this is your channel messages for the 17th of May, Aquarius. Let us go ahead and see what is in your messages for today, Aquarius. Let's go. We have the Empress coming out first, Aquarius, the Star card. Now, the Empress is beautiful, sitting lovely, sitting pretty, sitting, looking like a fresh, hot, baked bread. That's what you look like. I'm getting the Empress. Or I'm getting, you look like a star. You should be on TV. I know. I am on TV. They're just robbing me all of my money. But thank you for the compliment, though. So I'm getting, you're looking beautiful. You're looking TV worthy. You're looking like a celebrity. Getting, that's what you look, the Hierophant. What? Who are you dealing with? I'm getting, you're dealing with a Taurus. These two cards are Taurus. So I'm getting something about a Taurus celebrity. No, the Star card is naked. So I'm getting, you can do both. You can, I'm getting, you can do both. The Empress and Taurus. Both of this is strong Taurus. I'm getting a next. I'm getting the industry is looking at the next big thing. The next big thing is a Taurus. I'm getting she's a Taurus. It's a Taurus. It's the next big thing. I'm also getting a role model for women. A lot of women like you. A lot of women listen to you. A lot of women like beauty advice. I'm getting a lot of women. I'm getting the industry scouting them next big thing. I'm getting is a Taurus is going to be the next big thing. We have the Justice card. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Libra. Or I'm getting these elites are discussing a Taurus and a Libra. Now remember, Taurus share Venus with Libra. Remember? Taurus is Venus, Libra is Venus. But Taurus is also the Hierophant. There is no other card in the deck that represents Libra. Taurus have two major arcanas for themselves. Libra. Oh, I'm lying. This is Libra. My apologies. This is Libra. There may be something about you have to share the spotlight. Somebody saying you have to share the spotlight. Or they must say you have to share your man. Since Taurus is the Hierophant, they're saying, Taurus, you have to share your husband with Libra. You have to share it because you share Venus with Libra. Fuck no. Are you crazy or are you dumb? Because even though Libra rules Venus, which is love, Libra is love letters. Libra's is good morning text. It's air. It's not earth. It's not like Taurus and Libra is both air signs sharing Venus. Taurus side of sharing Venus is kissing, hugging, touching, cuddling, cooking, cleaning, washing for somebody you love. Libra side is giving you money, giving them your bank account information, giving them your debit card to use when they need to buy something. It is good morning texts. It's love letter. Libra rules air. Air is more fast-paced. Earth is slow-paced. It takes a plant months, days to grow. It takes instantly for send a text. Libra can love bomb you. Send you out because it's faster. Even though both of them rule Venus. I don't know if you're saying something support. I don't know if you're saying somebody have to be friends. Or you're saying somebody have to share. Share what? We're not sharing nothing around here. You and Libra never come out of the womb the same time. Taurus came first, then Libra. So Taurus claimed the flag on Venus before Libra reached there. And remember, Libra and Taurus was not they wasn't coexisting. It was Libra and Virgo. Remember? Libra and Virgo. Virgo is the Virgin with the scale. That's who's Libra counterpart. You keep saying that Libra need to share something with Taurus. Is it because of Venus? Because if Libra supposed to share anything, they're supposed to share with Virgo. We talked about this already. Virgo and Libra was one. Taurus and Libra was never one. They just cohabitated in the same planet, Venus, love. So they're very harmonious. Right? But it was Libra and Virgo. Virgo the Virgin. No, again, I don't know if Libra being the scales and Virgo was a virgin. Virgo was like, I'm going to give you my say after you give me a ring and the court documents sign off me and you're married, or I'm going to give you the say before. I don't know what Virgo problem was, but Virgo and Libra split. So Virgo and Libra, the Virgin and Scales had more of a relationship than Libra and Taurus. And Libra can, the thing that's good about Libra can exist alone for long periods of time. So can Taurus. So again, I don't know if you want somebody to share something, if you want somebody to share the same man. No, me getting two girls. I don't know if you want these two women to be friends. These two women might share the same type of moral beliefs. But me getting the Taurus is dominating this more. It's more for the Taurus. We have the King, yes, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Me getting, see? Me don't know. Yeah, because Libra masculine. Taurus is feminine, but Taurus also can be the Hierophant, which is her masculine energy. Libra is feminine, the Justice card, but Libra also can be masculine because Libra is an air sign. I'm getting both people think like a man. So it may not be something that you need to make these two people compete with each other. I'm getting these two people are more similar than them even think. One more. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles, yeah. Me getting them so similar, them turn them backs to each other. Or I don't know if a Gemini is putting you up against a Libra. Yeah, but who you think stronger? The Pope or Kim Kardashian father who saved O.J. Simpson from that murder case? Who you think stronger? Because Libra is a liar. Libra is a liar that proves the innocence of the Virgin Virgo. Taurus is Pope Leo. Pope, I kind of still want to refer to Pope Francis. Taurus are Pope Francis. So you're putting up a Pope against a liar. That's what you're doing. That's what we're doing, bitch. You're putting up the Pope against a judge. Do you see where you went fucking wrong? Okay, let's clarify. The Hierophant is clarified by the King of Wands. I'm sorry, the Empress came out first. The Empress is clarified by the King of Wands. So here's the thing. Me getting you trying to put up the Libra against the Taurus, even though both of them rule Venus. But me getting the Taurus get more attention than the Libra. The Libra is a virgin. She's very conservative. She will wrap her hair, or she will not wear skimpy things to be on camera. Taurus will. So you upset because Libra, who is a masculine sense, don't get as much sexual attention as Taurus gets. Yeah, because them is air, them is not earth. The Hierophant again. Yeah, it's Taurus. How can Taurus and Libra do the same job, but everybody want to take off Taurus clothes and nobody want to take off Libra clothes? Me getting that's where the animosity is coming. You can't use sex. You can't use sexual appeal to make these two women compete. So you're trying to use it intelligence. Yeah, but Taurus sexy. Libra don't really care about being sexy. Them care about being right. Like a man. The Hierophant is clarified by the Knight of Swords. The King of Swords is clarified by Libra. See? Me getting this, yeah, like a man. Look at this. We have Libra all 2 times. See? Libra, Libra. Me getting you saying you want somebody share something. Them have to share. Yeah, 2 Libra can share it because 2 Libras will balance the scale that has 2 sides. 2 Libras is not a Taurus and a Libra. 2 Libra can share them, man. Or be getting you have this guy on your side. Literally, that's like you're getting the judge. You're putting the judge against the Vatican. Me getting on the Libra side, there is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius supporting them. You see on the Taurus side, there's a Leo supporting them. Because Leo is the lion. The Taurus have the Leo supporting them, and the Libra have the Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra supporting them. Okay? The 4 of Pentacles is clarified by the 6 of, yeah. Me getting you putting these 2 people together to battle it together. But here's what me getting the only way somebody can compete is if somebody don't dress like a girl. Because I'm getting even with the intelligence Libra have and the intelligence that Taurus have, even if you're trying to compete with that, okay, what about both of them going back to being a woman? Because the men are trying to put these women against each other, but they're women. What happened to when the women want to be women? No, don't smile, don't laugh, don't be a girl, don't put on a dress. So you want Taurus and Libra. Taurus is feminine, Libra is masculine. You want Taurus act like Libra. You want Taurus dressed in a lesbian pants. That's what the fuck you want Taurus in. Taurus can't show them tits and read tarot because Libra is masculine. And Libra just going to put on a fucking t-shirt and shorts. That's what the fuck you're saying to me. There is no competition. I mean, you can have a very covered head or masculine woman reading tarot for men, or you can have a girl that have no top on with her breasts out reading for men. Which one sound more Masonic? At least Taurus know that as a girl, she will be taking advantage of your sexual looks. Libra want cover the fuck up. Libra want to tape down them breasts. They're masculine. One more. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Sorry, Nine of Swords. So, I don't know what this is. You're putting two people up against each other, and I'm getting it's not working. And even if it does work, we're going to go back to the natural form of these two zodiac signs. They seem like they're women. You're trying to tell somebody that intelligence, if you're intelligent, you would cover up. If you're intelligent, you would cover your hair. If you're intelligent, you would be submissive and you'd be conservative. No, fucker. Intelligence not have nothing to do with how you dress, how you look, if your head cover or not. My tits don't write. You think do you think my tits be writing my fucking notes? That's what the fuck you think? No. No. We have curse, yeah. Them I try to make it be like a man. Like Libra. So what happened? Did a Libra switch destinies with you? Because Taurus are the girl, Libra the man. Curse. Getting into a Libra. We have something about a doctor. Could be something about a witch doctor. We have evil. They want you to be a man so badly. We have the number 4. We have Virgo, right. Libra and Virgo was together. The only reason why Libra and Taurus is in this back and forth, and Virgo is still an earth sign like Taurus, but Virgo was a virgin. Because only the innocent get through in the courtroom. In the Vatican, is not only the innocent get through. There are stories written about very evil people. You don't think the Vatican know about Alexa Crowley? You're telling me the Vatican don't have no notes about Alexa Crowley? Okay, so you stay in that motherfucking library, bitch, with your motherfucking judge who acting like she's Pope motherfucking Francis, bitch. She acting like she's Pope Willet. So what the fuck she asked? This is what the fuck she acting like. One more. Secret society. Bitch, you the judge, bitch. You the same one who convict Tory Lanez to spend how much years in prison because him allegedly shoot King Megan Thee Stallion even though him was selling in his NFTs for $1 and crack the blood clot code. Tory Lanez started what is known as trading. You know, like when you buy a stock and sell a stock, you buy it for $1, the stock go up and you buy it back. Tory Lanez was doing stock trading with his own album. Bitch, you the judge. Bitch, you the lawyer. You're the courtroom. You're the blood clot. You're the library, bitch. You ain't the Vatican. You're not the Vatican. Know that. You ain't the Vatican. Walking around talking about people is on Ozempic. Walking around talking about how people is starving themselves. Bitch, bye. Okay, and you not starving yourself. And where are you? Signing a contract working for Jewish people. Selling out your morals. Who are you? The same lawyer who signed off on the bill for traffic people. That's who the fuck you are. Never you think a judge and the Vatican can fucking compete, bitch. Stay in your lane. Stay in your judge, stay in your weight scaling, cocaine lane. Don't come over to the Vatican. Because if you notice in the church, them use smoke. They use smoke in the church. When you walk down the aisles in the church, there's something, this thing where them burn and it smoke up the church. And them swing it. Okay? Great. So stay over there with your fucking stamp. For sign off on corrupt blood clot adoptions. I'm going to leave it here. Aquarius, the star card. Until next time, bye.